51. So long as fortune is favoring you, your defects will remain covered. 52. Only he who has the power to punish can pardon. 53. Generosity is to help a deserving person without his request, and if you help him after his request, then it is either out of self-respect or to avoid rebuke. 54. There is no greater wealth than wisdom, no greater poverty than ignorance, no greater heritage than culture, and no greater support than consultation. 55. Patience is of two kinds: patience over what pains you, and patience against what you covet. 56. Wealth converts a strange land into homeland, and poverty turns a native place into a strange land. 57. Contentment is the capital which will never diminish. 58. Wealth is the fountainhead of passions. 59. Whoever warns you against sins and vices is like the one who gives you good tidings. 60. Tongue is a beast. If it is let loose,